In this lesson, learners explore how to describe animals in simple English. There are many kinds of animals around us: wild, domestic, big, small, cute, and fierce. Words help us talk about what animals look like and how they behave. By the end, you will be able to use clear and easy words to describe different animals confidently. Domestic animals are animals that live with people. They are friendly and helpful to humans. Many give us food, help with work, or become our pets. Common domestic animals include the dog, cat, cow, horse, and goat. These animals depend on people for care and usually live close to homes or farms. Wild animals live freely in forests, jungles, or other natural places. They are not trained or cared for by humans. Wild animals look after themselves and can sometimes be dangerous. Examples are the lion, tiger, elephant, zebra, and giraffe. Each animal plays an important role in nature and keeps the balance of life in forests and grasslands. Some animals appear soft, small, and very lovable. We call them cute or adorable. People often feel happy when they see these animals. Examples include the rabbit, panda, kitten, puppy, and duckling. These animals are gentle and usually bring comfort and joy to those around them. Certain animals are strong, wild, and can harm others. They are described as dangerous or fierce. Such animals usually protect themselves or hunt other animals for food. Examples include the snake, crocodile, shark, lion, and tiger. When talking about these creatures, words like fierce and powerful show their strength and nature. Adjectives are describing words that tell more about animals. They help us express how an animal looks, acts, or feels. For example, the dog is friendly, the lion is fierce, and the rabbit is soft. When you use adjectives, your sentences become clearer and more interesting. Simple sentence patterns make it easy to describe animals correctly. You can say, the zebra is striped, to show what it looks like. You can say, the elephant lives in the jungle, to tell where it lives. Or you can say, the cow eats grass, to tell what it eats. Using these sentence patterns helps you speak and write clearly about animals. Sometimes we compare animals to show their differences. When we compare, we use comparative adjectives that end with "er." For example, the lion is stronger than the dog, the cat is smaller than the tiger, or the elephant is bigger than the cow. These sentences help you talk about size, strength, and other qualities of animals. There are many useful words to describe animals. To talk about how animals look, say words like big, small, fluffy, or colorful. To describe sounds, use words like loud, quiet, roaring, or chirping. To show their character, say brave, gentle, playful, loyal, or lazy. These words make your English sound more natural when you describe animals. Animals can be grouped into domestic and wild types. Domestic animals live with people, while wild animals live in forests. Use adjectives like cute, fierce, strong, or friendly to describe their looks and behavior. You can make sentences like, the dog is friendly, or the lion is strong. Practicing with these patterns and words helps you describe any animal in clear and simple English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.